Have you ever wondered if the universe has an edge? It's one of the biggest mysteries of all time, and today, we're diving into it. Imagine going on a journey through space, traveling billions of light years past stars, galaxies, and nebulae, and then just reaching an edge. But what would that edge look like? And even more mind-blowing, what could lie beyond it? Or maybe there's no edge at all and the universe is infinite, stretching on forever without end. Today, we're exploring the theories, the science, and the mysteries that might finally help us answer, does the universe have an edge, or is it truly infinite? To begin, let's talk about the observable universe. The universe has been expanding since the Big Bang, around 13.8 billion years ago. And because of this, light from distant galaxies is constantly traveling toward us. The observable universe, the part we can see, is currently about 93 billion light-years across. But here's the catch, just because we can't see beyond this distance, doesn't mean there isn't more out there. Think of it like being in the middle of the ocean. Even if you can't see land, it doesn't mean it's not there. In the same way, there could be entire galaxies, stars, and planets existing beyond our observable universe, out of reach, simply because their light hasn't had time to reach us yet. Now, what if the universe has an edge beyond the observable part? One of the leading theories in cosmology is that the universe could be finite but unbounded. Imagine the surface of a sphere, like a globe. If you travel in one direction on Earth, you'll eventually circle back to where you started without ever hitting an edge. Some scientists believe our universe could be like that, existing in a higher dimensional space. This would mean you could theoretically travel in a straight line through space and eventually end up where you began, but you'd never find an actual edge. It's like a cosmic loop, where the concept of an edge just doesn't exist. But what if the universe is infinite? In an infinite universe, space would just go on forever, with no boundaries at all. This idea is mind-bending. If the universe is infinite, it means there's no end to the galaxies, stars, or even copies of ourselves. Yes, that's right. In an infinite universe, there would likely be an infinite number of copies of Earth, you and me, simply because every possible combination of matter would eventually repeat somewhere out there. In an infinite universe, the possibilities are endless, and the idea of reaching the edge becomes meaningless. Then there's the multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe might be just one bubble among countless others. Imagine an ocean of bubbles, each one a separate universe with its own set of physical laws. If this theory is correct, the edge of our universe might actually be the boundary where our bubble meets the next one. And beyond that edge could lie a completely different reality, where even the laws of physics are different from our own. The multiverse theory challenges our entire concept of space, making us wonder if the edge of the universe might lead not to nothingness, but to something completely new and unimaginable. The truth is, we don't yet have a definitive answer to this mystery. Whether the universe has an edge, or is infinite, remains one of the biggest questions in science. With future advances in technology, like new telescopes and theories in quantum mechanics, we might get closer to understanding the true shape and size of the universe. But for now, the edge of the universe remains one of the greatest enigmas of all. It reminds us that no matter how much we discover, the universe will always hold secrets beyond our reach, urging us to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, and to keep wondering. So, does the universe have an edge or is it infinite? Right now, we can only guess. But that's the beauty of science. There's always more to learn, more to explore, and more to dream about. If this journey into the unknown left you curious and inspired, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore more of the universe's greatest mysteries. Who knows what other incredible discoveries are waiting just beyond the stars?